ROS developers, and welcome to the ROS questions and answers video series. If you want to learn anything about ROS, this is your channel. ROS navigation, ROS with drones, ROS for autonomous cars, everything ROS is here. Learn ROS step by step and push your ROS learning in just 10 minutes of video. I am Alberto Ezquerro, and today we are going to be checking a question I found here in the ROS Answer forum, which is this one: Python class for simple subscriber. Says, can anybody help me in getting the Python class program for simple subscriber using Python? Thank you. Okay, so yeah, today we are going to be checking this question and building a simple example for a subscriber using Python classes. But before anything else, remember to visit our Robot Ignite Academy, our online academy where you will find practical online ROS courses using simulated robots. No installation is required. You will find a link to the academy on the video description. And now, yes, let's start with the video itself. So let's close all this. And as always, we are going to start creating a new project, which I'm going to call subscriber class, for instance. So let's create this project, this empty project, and now we are going to open it and build our example here. So let's wait a few seconds until the whole environment loads. There it goes. Okay, so now let me open a shell and the IDE as well. There we are. So first of all, let's create a package. So catkin create package. Let's call it subscriber class, and I'll put ROSPy as dependency. There we are. So here we have our package, and now let's create inside the SOC folder a new file, which I'm going to call subclass.py, and here we are going to build our Python class, which will be a subscriber. So yeah, let's start. First of all, let's set up the environment. Let's import ROSPy as well. So let's create here the class, which I'm going to call my simple class. There we go. So first of all, we'll need to define the init function. And here we are going to create our subscriber. With this. Okay, so let's see. Let's do it for the autumn topic. Okay, so let's do a subscriber of the autumn topic. So this way we can test it later with a simulation. So yeah, let me import here from nav messages.message import odometry. So here we are going to use odometry as the message. And what is this? Okay. And here let's define a function which is going to be sub callback, which we are going to define right here. Sub callback self message. There we are. Okay, so yeah, we have defined here our okay, it's sub our subscriber, and let's as well define a variable where we are going to store our odometry data, which is going to be an odometry. And yeah, so now here let's just put into our self odom data the values of the message, which is the incoming message, in this case the odometry message, and let's print this as well. Okay, great. So now, yeah, that would be all for the class. So let's create the main. So let's create here our node, simple class node. There we are. Then let's initiate the class here. My simple class equals to, there we are. And yeah, just spin here, and that will be all. So as you can see, super easy. So yeah, we are basically importing ROS.py as always, and we are importing the odometry message. Since in this case we are going to be subscribing to the ODOM topic. Then I define here my class, which in this case it will be called my simple class. In the init function, I create the subscriber, and I create a variable to store the messages, the odometry messages. Then I define the callback for the subscriber, which is this one, where basically I'm going to store all the new odometry messages that I read into the class variable odom data, and I'm going to as well print this value. And finally, in the main, I just create my ROS node. I create an object of my class, and I spin. So this will keep reading messages forever. So yeah, let's save this. Let's test it. Let's make sure that this is executable. There. Oops, sorry. Okay, there we are. So now, let me clear this. I will need a simulation. So let's start Trustable 2, for instance. Trustable 2 simulation, so that I have an odometry topic, which should be called ODOM, because I'm subscribing to this topic. So I'm going to check now if the topic is named like this. Okay. This is loading, so let's wait a few moments. And there we are. Yeah. Okay, so if I do a ROS topic list, here I have a node on topic, so excellent. I can test my code in this simulation. So yeah, let's do a ROS run of my code. And okay, so bot interpreter. Okay, I think yeah, here it is. I have written this wrong, so it's user bin env for environment. Okay, so let's run again this, and there we are. Here I am printing all the odometry messages with my Python class. So yeah, this would be all for the video of today. I hope you have learned something new in how to work with Python classes. And yeah, if you have liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell for a new video every day. And either you liked the video or not, please share your thoughts and questions and comments in the comments area below. So goodbye, and see you in the next video.